Warren Buffett says a real estate storm is coming. Over $2.06 trillion of debt is looming over the U.S. real estate market. And by the way, Warren Buffett is dumping stock as we speak. He's dumped most of his Bank of America stock. Should tell you that he knows something that you need to know. So, what does Warren Buffett know about the marketplace, the stock market, and the real estate market that you need to know? Look, guys, there is a real estate cataclysmic correction happening today. There's $2.07 trillion, and I'm going to share with you how you can take advantage of it, what you need to do about it. But when guys like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Bill Ackman are starting to watch this marketplace and say something is going on that's problematic, pay attention. For instance, we have more unrealized losses in banks today than we did in 2008, 2009, and 2010, which was the global economic crisis caused again by real estate, which was really a banking crisis, not a real estate crisis. Same things happening right now in 2024, 2025, and moving forward. Stay with me here because I'm going to show you the magnitude of this problem. It is enormous and will create an opportunity for you and your family to invest in real estate. I'll show you what you should be offering to pay because of this. This loan was done at 2 or 3. But today, let's say it matured and is now due at 7th interest. Just imagine. Let's keep it simple. Say it was 3.5 interest on any amount. Understand this. We're talking about thousands, tens of thousands of different loans on properties. It could be an office building, a hotel, or apartments like we buy at Cardone Capital. It's not single family homes. And the reason I'm not talking about single-family homes in this equation is that 70 of all single-family homes in America have an under 4 interest rate. Almost 30s of all homes in America are fully paid off in cash. So you're not going to have a collapse in single-family homes. Where you're going to see a collapse and correction is in this $2.07 trillion worth of commercial debt. And I believe that's why Warren Buffett is dumping his Bank of America stock. He owns more treasury bills today than the federal government owns. I'll tell you why that is in a second. Let's say this loan was at 3.5, and let's say it was a $100 million hotel loan in New York City or Chicago. The loan is due. Great property. Great location, nothing to do with the property. The problem is the loan matured when interest rates went up. If interest rates go up, the loan amount is going to go down. They move inversely to each other. If rates go down, the loan amount goes up. So in this case, what happened was the rates went from 3 to 7. And what happens to the debt? The debt is going to go down by about 4 points. In this case, 3.5 points. It's going to go down by almost half. So let's look at the implication of this. When this loan was approved by the bank, it wasn't based on comparables like a house sale. Commercial real estate is approved based on the cash flow generated by the property. When this loan was at 3.5, the bank said the loan can support $3.05 million worth of interest. Now remember, I need $8.75 million to qualify, but I don't have that. Interest rates went up, but income didn't change. That's why some office and apartment buildings are getting stolen. The NOI stayed the same, but the debt increased. Nobody will lend on a deal that loses $2 million a year. Even Elon Musk couldn't buy this deal. So what do? We find out how much money the bank is willing to lend. This is how you steal real estate in this cycle. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Now, watch. This $5 million in income, take 80 of that. A little hack I use. 80 of $5 million is $4 million. That's the maximum amount of principal and interest a bank will lend on this deal. Divide $4 million by 0.825, and the max loan is $48.04 million. The current loan is $100 million. Someone is taking a $52 million loss. The bank loses big, and the seller's $40 million down payment is gone. This is how you find real estate deals. Warren Buffett is stacking cash because the biggest real estate correction of my lifetime is coming. There are 27,000 deals like this. If I buy just one, 270 deals. That's $26 billion in asset. A $130 million property will trade for $49 million. Someone will make $80 million. When rates drop, values bounce back. The right buyer will turn $49 into $130. If you want to capitalize on this shift, like, subscribe, and comment below.